We've just been sent from Fruthi the latest appliance, which is the ThermoCook Pro M by Optimum. This is how it arrived in this brown box. We're going to take it out of the brown box and see the real box inside and what's inside that. And we'll get back to you shortly with the reveal of the box. Okay, so this is the box out of the brown box. It says what it is, ThermoCook Pro M Optimum, founded in Australia. I didn't know that. Around the sides, it looks like we've got some functions that this ThermoCook Pro can perform. And that appears to be what we have inside. So we'll get opening the box set and find these pieces. So with this product, it's been sent to us so we can give honest feedback and a review of the product. We're not professional cooks, so we're everyday people, so we can report our findings as just the everyday person who might be looking at this video and wondering, is this product worth buying? Right at the top there's a book. It's the user's manual. We all need that. Saves going online. I don't like to go online and look up instructions. It's awkward, and not everyone is au fait with going online, especially some generations prefer the hard copy. I do. So you've got the best of both worlds. You can go online or you can use this, so that's great. So everything's packaged in plastic and styrofoam. Would be nice to see perhaps if Fruthi would change to cardboard or something that's more environmentally friendly and recyclable. But this is what we have for now. So all the parts I can see are packed in the plastic. So we'll just start pulling them out. We can have the box there and see if we can marry them up. Looks like some sort of blade-shaped thing. And this, from using blenders, I know is a camphor stick. No, can't tell you what that one is. It's on the box there, but it's not labelled on the box as to what the pieces are. And it looks like we have a cap here that would go on top of, in the middle of something. So that's first layer. Okay, so I'll just turn this around. That looks like the base, the main part here of the machine. I might just lift that out. It's come out quite easily. Okay, fairly heavy. It's a bit blingy, very bright chrome. It's not the brush matte, which a lot of appliances are these days. Just depends what you like. Yeah, it's very, what do we think, 70s or very
space age?
Very space age. Feels solid and it has good suction. I can't lift it. So obviously it adheres quite well, so when you're using it, you're not going to get a lot of bounce and movement happening. Okay, a few little bits and pieces here being put together. It must be a tray of some sort. So that clear cover also fits on this compartment as well. So, this stainless steel, looks like a stainless steel jug. It's quite big compared to the blender that I have. It looks like it's a large capacity. Okay, so it turns around. It's a lid, and I'd say this little guy will go in here. There's a couple of lugs, and there's little lug openings there. So at that site, it just looks like you just switch it around and it locks in. A basket. Steaming rice, I'm guessing. Don't know yet. Okay, inside 4 large stainless steel blades. There's a maximum line in there and a couple of lines under it, but it doesn't say what the capacity is. So I don't know whether it's 1 litre or 2 litre. Obviously it's more than 1 litre. So it looks like I've now got all the pieces out. Now, I think the fun starts. We're going to have to work out how this all works. Now, from the unboxing, we cannot see a recipe book anywhere. Now, and from my point of view, I've never used a ThermoCook Pro M or the similar type other one that's out on the market, and I have no knowledge of how they function. I believe they just can do everything, but how do you do everything when you don't know how to get started? We've got on the box, it's telling us that this machine does chopping, whipping, mixing, emulsifying, milling, kneading, cooking, blending, stirring, steaming, weighing, and precise heating. Well, that's impressive, but how do I start? So we're going to have to get back to you and find out why we don't have a recipe book and where that's coming from, if there's one coming, or whether it's online. So our next video, hopefully we'll have some answers for you to actually get up and going with this magnificent looking selection of equipment that we can produce some nice healthy food from this Optimum Pro M Thermocook. So we'll see you next video.